Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can set up QuickBooks for Airbnb business. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, just have to search for QuickBooks. Okay, and then after that, you just have to sign in, and then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. So I'm just going to sign in since I already have my account. Okay, and then you will be directed to your dashboard. So the very first thing that we are going to do here is to create or choose the correct company type. So you just have to log into QuickBooks and then go to your settings. That's right. And then go to the account and settings. So just close this one. Okay. So tap on the account and settings. That's right. And then after that, you just have to go to the advanced section. Okay, so under the accounting, just have to set your company type, industry like real estate, rental, and leasing. Okay, so this is your company type right here. So if you'd like to customize this one, then I just have to simply tap on it. Okay, and then you can also change here the currency and your language. Okay, so let me just change it right here. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to choose this one, and then for your company. Okay, so let me just tap on OK, and then here for your industry, so you just have to choose the rental. Okay, so we have that right here, so let me just choose the property operators and real estate services. Okay, and then I just have to save this option. After that, you just have to tap on the done option. Okay, so for the accounting method, you can also choose the actual recommended for Airbnb. Next is we have to set up your chart of accounts. So this one is very important. So just go to the settings again. Okay, and then go to the chart of accounts. That's right. And then we just have to create this. So Airbnb rental income, cleaning fee income, and then extra guest other fees. So this one is optional. So to create a new one, just simply tap on the new account option. And then for the account name, so let me just type it out right here, like Airbnb rental income. Okay. And then for the account type, so you just have to select the income option. That's right. And then here you just have to add the rest of the details. Okay, after that you just have to tap on the save option, so you can also create like cleaning fee income and extra guest income. Now for the expense account, we just have to create Airbnb services fees, cleaning, laundry, utilities, maintenance and repairs, supplies, and then property management fees. So to do the tap on the create option. Okay, and then go to the expense. That's right. So we just have to create or list down all of our expenses right here. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to select this pay, and then here for the cash equivalent. So for example, this is for our inventory, and then here we have our payment method and then the reference number. And then for the category, so you just have to choose your category right here. Okay, so for example, let's go with the management compensation, payroll expenses, rent or lease payments, or supplies. So I'm just going to select supplies for this one, and then I just have to add here your description. Okay, and then of course your amount. Okay, so for example 500, and then if you have a tax, so just have to choose your tax right here, and you'll be able to see here now the sub total including your tax. Okay, and then if you'd like to add attachments, so you can also add it right here. After that, tap on the save and close. So you can also create the rest like cleaning and laundry, utilities, maintenance, repair, supplies, and property management. Now we are going to connect our bank account. Okay, so you just have to tap on the accounting and go to the bank transaction. So right here, you will need to connect your accounts. In order to do that, just tap on the connect account option. Okay, so you can let the QuickBooks download transactions and do not record the Airbnb income directly to the bank. Use the clearing account method below. Okay, so you just have to select your bank account right here, and then you just have to input the details of your card. Next one is to record the Airbnb income properly. Correct method. So you just have to go to the new option. That's right, and then tap on the new, and then tap on the sales receipt. Okay, so look for the sales receipt, this one, and then go to the customers. Okay, so for the customers, so for example, just have to tap on right here, Airbnb guest or Airbnb. So I'm just going to tap it right here, Airbnb. Okay, so you just have to input right here the details of your customer. Okay, and then you just have to deposit it to the Airbnb clearing account, so you can add lines items like Airbnb rental income and then cleaning fee income, and then you just have to save it after that. All right, next is to record the Airbnb service fee. So just have to go to the new again, and then go to the expense. That's right, and then for the payee, you just have to add right here another payee, which is Airbnb clearing account. Okay, or you can also just tap it right here, Airbnb. Okay, and then after that, for the payment account, just choose the Airbnb clearing account. For the category is the Airbnb service fees, and then the amount is the Airbnb fee. And then after that, you just have to tap on the save option. Next is you just have to match the Airbnb payout. So when Airbnb sends money to your bank, you just have to go to the banking once again. You can then find the payout, click the match, and then match it with the clearing account balance. Next is you can also track each property separately. So you just have to go to the settings and then go to your expenses. Okay, so when you go to your expenses, you can also find expenses right here under the expenses and bills. Okay, so you'd be able to see here now your expense transactions history. So if you already have your history right here, so you'll be able to see that right here. Okay, so for the monthly reconciliation as well, of course, you should not skip this one. Just go to the settings and go to the reconcile. Okay, so this one, that's right, and then you just have to select the bank account and then match QuickBooks with bank statements. So of course, you have to get started with this one and connect your account. Next is the reports that you should check. So just go to the report section. That's right, and then check the profit and loss for the overall, and then profit and loss by location per property, and then the expenses by vendor. So you can see the cleaning cost for this one. Okay, so you have all of the details right here. And then of course, simple tip for you as a VA manager: if you're managing Airbnb for clients, you can create one QuickBooks file per client, then same chart of accounts template. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.